Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of planes r bar dot 2I plus 2z minus 3k is equal to 7 and r bar dot 2I plus 5z plus 3k is equal to 9 and to the point 2, 1, 3. Okay. So in the previous example also, so same type solution is there. So same type example here. So here is the one plane here. This is a other plane here. Equation of this plane is r bar dot of n1 bar is equal to d1 here. And equation of this plane here r bar dot of n2 bar is equal to d2. Then this is a third plane here. This is a plane passing through the point of intersection of these two planes here. This is a line of intersection here. This is a line of intersection of these two planes here. Here we want this plane here. This plane passing through the point 2, 1, 3. They are already given here. 2, 1, 3. In that case, equation of this plane is given by so r bar dot of n1 bar plus lambda into bracket n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda into d2. Okay, so this is the formula. Therefore, comparing a given equation with these two places. Okay, therefore here r bar not r bar here, n1 bar n1 bar is equal to 2I plus 2z minus of 3k and n2 bar is equal to 2I plus 5z plus 3k. d1 equal to 7 here. So d1 is equal to 7 and d2 is equal to 9. d2 is equal to 9 here. Therefore, required equation of the plane. Required equation of the plane is r bar dot of n1 bar plus lambda into n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda into d2. Okay. Therefore, r bar dot of n1 plus lambda into n1 is this one here, n2 is this one. So lambda into means multiply each term by lambda here. Then from these two I is the common factor here. Therefore, 2 plus lambda into, so 2 plus lambda into 2 into I. 2 plus 2 lambda I. Then 2 plus 5 lambda. 2 plus 5 lambda into z here plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda here. Minus 3 plus 3 lambda into k. Bracket complete here. That is equal to d1 is 7 here. So write here 7 plus lambda into 9. Lambda into 9 here. Then take this one as equation number 1 here. Take this one as equation number 1. So here the plane of passing to the point 2, 1, 3 here. Therefore take r bar as xi plus yz plus zk. So let the vector r bar is equal to x into I plus y into z plus z into k. Therefore xi plus yz plus zk dot of 2 plus 2 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda into I. 2 plus 5 lambda. So 2 plus 5 lambda into z plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda minus 3 plus 3 lambda into k is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. 7 plus 9 lambda. Here this is one vector, this is another vector. It's a dot product. Beta dot product is there. Hence x into this term here. So 2 plus 2 lambda into x here, then plus y into this term. So 2 plus 5 lambda into y, then plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda, minus 3 plus 3 lambda into z, here. Then is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda, 7 plus 9 lambda. Here this plane passing to the point 2, 1, 3 here. This plane passes through the pointer 2, 1, 3 here. So put x value to here. So 2 plus 2 lambda into 2 here, then plus 2 plus 5 lambda into 1, then plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda into 3 is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. 9 lambda. Okay. Take 2 inside the bracket, 1 inside here and 3 inside. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 lambda. 2 plus 5 lambda into 1. So 2 plus 5 lambda here. 3 3s are 9 here. Minus 9 plus 9 lambda is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. Then this 9 lambda and this 9 lambda get cancels here. Then simplify here. 5 lambda plus 4 lambda is 9 lambda. So right here 9 lambda. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 9, minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. Take a minus 3 right hand side here. So 9 lambda is equal to 7 plus 3 becomes 10 here. Then take a 9 right hand side here. Therefore, lambda is equal to 10 divided by 9 here. So use this lambda in the equation 1 here. So 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes, so substitute here. R1 dot of 2 plus 2 into lambda here, 2 into 10 divided by 9, then into I. Okay. Write in a bracket here like this, then plus again into bracket 2 plus 5 lambda here, 2 plus 5 into 10 divided by 9 into z here, plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda here, minus 3 plus 3 into 10 divided by 9 into k. Bracket complete here. Then this is equal to 7 plus, so 10 divided by 9 into 9. Then R1 dot off. Now you simplify here. Here 9 LCM here. So 9 is LCM. 9 2s are 18. 18, 10 2s are 20 here. So it is a 38 here. 38 into I. Okay, it is a 38 I here. Then again a 9 LCM here. So plus 9 is the LCM. 9 2s are 18. 10 5s are 50 here. So it is a 68 here. 68Z. 68Z. Then plus 9 is the LCM here. So right here 9 LCM. 9th is 18. Minus 18. 10th is 30 here. Plus 30. Therefore 12 here. So plus 12. 12k. 30 minus 18 becomes 12 here. 12 upon 9 into k. Then this is equal to. Here this 9 cancels here. 10 plus 7 becomes 17 here. This is 17. Here the 9 LCM is 9 is LCM. Therefore R bar dot of write 9 in the denominator here. So 9 LCM here. So 38 I plus 68Z then plus 12k dot here is equal to 17. Take the 9 of this side here. Therefore R bar dot of so 38I plus 68Z then plus 12k is equal to 17 into 9 becomes 153. So 153. So this is the required equation of the plane here, passing to the point of 2, 1, 3 and the line of intersection of the given places. So there is a one mistake here, because here 9 3s are 27 minus 27, 10 3s are 30, so it becomes a 3 here. It is not a 12, it is a 3, so 3k. Therefore this becomes a 3k. Therefore final answer is R bar dot 38I plus 68Z plus 3k. Okay, so this is the required equation of the plane. So find the equation of the plane. So the intersection of the planes of 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0 and the point 2 to 1a. So here so suppose one plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 equal to 0. It is in the Cartesian form here. And one more equation of plane this one. Here this is the plane, required plane here, passing to the line of intersection of these two planes here. In that case the equation of the plane is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus of d1 here plus lambda into bracket a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus of d2 is equal to 0. So this is a plane here, passing through the line of intersection of the two given places. Okay, they are already given two equations here. Okay, take here the solution. So 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, be the given place here. Be the given place. Okay, required equation of the plane. Required equation of the plane is of the form is of the form. Okay, this one here, that is, write the equation here, 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into bracket x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0 here. So take this one as equation number 1 here. Okay. So this plane passing to the point 2 to 1 here. This plane passes through the point so 2 to 1 here. Therefore put x value 2, y value 2 and z value 1 here. Therefore so 3 into 2 minus of 2 here plus 2 into 1 minus 4 bracket complete here. Then plus lambda into bracket so 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus of 2 that is equal to 0. Then here 3 2s are 6 here. Then minus of 2, 2 1s are 2, minus 4. Bracket complete here. Then plus. Then lambda into here 2 and minus 2 cancels here. 2 plus 1 becomes 3 here. So write here 3 that is equal to 0. Here minus 2 plus 2 cancels here. Then 6 minus 4 becomes 2. 2 plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, this is the value of lambda. Use this lambda value in the equation 1 here. Okay, therefore 1 becomes equation 1 becomes 3x minus 5 plus 2z minus 4. 3x minus of y plus 2z minus 4. Then minus 2 upon 3z. Minus 2 upon 3 into x plus y plus z minus of 2 here. That is equal to 0. Then here 3 is the LCM here. So write 3 in the denominator here. 3 LCM. So 3 into this term here. 3 into 3x minus of y plus 2z minus 4 here. Then minus of 2 into x plus y plus z minus of 2 that is equal to 0. Take this 3 right side here. 0 into 3 becomes 0. Then 3 3s are 9. So right here 9x. Then 3 into y 3y minus of 3y. 3 2s are 6. So 6 is z here. And 3 4s are 12 minus of 12. Then 2 into x minus of 2x here. Then minus 2y minus 2z and minus of 2x that is equal to 0. Okay, 2 to the 4 becomes 4 here. Okay, then 9x minus of 2x it becomes 7x here. So right here 7x minus 3y minus 2y minus of 5y. 6z minus 2z it becomes 4z here. So plus 4z minus 12 minus 4 here. Okay, minus into minus becomes plus here. Minus 12 plus 4 becomes minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore this is the plane here. Required plane. Okay, so this plane passing to the line of intersection of these two planes here, as well as the point here. They are already given pointer 2 to 1 here. 2 to 1. You can verify whether the plane passing to 2 to 1 or not here. 7 2s are 14 here. So it is a 14. 5 2s are 10. Minus of 10 here. Then 4 into 1 becomes a 4. Plus 4. Then minus of 18. Then 14 plus 4 becomes 18. Minus 10 minus 8 minus 18. Therefore this becomes what here? 0. As this plane passing to the point 2 to 1 here. Means our answer is 10 here. Okay. So this is the procedure to find the equation of the plane. In this case, diagram is not important here. Do not draw the diagram. It is only for your reference here. So note here, equation of the plane which intercept A on x-axis and parallel to y o z plane is of the form x equal to a. So consider this a plane here. This plane makes intercept A on the x-axis here. Means this distance is a unit here and parallel to y o z here. This plane. Okay. Here in this case equation of this plane is x equal to a. Means this distance here a unit here. This distance is a unit. Okay. Similarly, here is the plane here making intercept B on y-axis here. Means this distance is a B unit here. And parallel to x o z plane here. This plane parallel to x o z plane. The equation of this plane is y is equal to b here. Okay. Similarly, this plane makes intercept C on z axis. Means this distance here. This height is a C unit here. And parallel to x o y here. This plane parallel to x y plane. The equation of this plane is z is equal to C here. Okay, that is equal to C. So example here. Find the equation of the plane which intercept 3 on the y-axis and parallel to z over x plane. Means I use this result here. Okay. Therefore equation of the plane here. Equation of the plane parallel to zy plane. Parallel to zy plane is of the form y is equal to b. Y is equal to b. Here they are already given here. Y intercept is a 3. Okay. Here b is equal to 3. Here b is equal to 3 here. They are already given here. This is a y intercept here. So therefore this becomes y is equal to 3 is the equation of the plane, required equation of the plane. Okay. Similarly, one more example is that find the equation of the plane which intercept 4 on the z axis here and parallel to x o y here. Means I use this here. Therefore, equation of the plane parallel to x o y plane is of the form z equal to c here. They are already given. Here z intercept c is equal to 4 units here. Therefore, put c is equal to 4. So z equal to 4 is the equation of plane here. This one. Okay, parallel to x o y plane. Okay.